Hi and welcome to today's session on 3D graph axes, octants and coordinates. So this is just a little introduction to 3D graphs. So anytime that we're dealing with 3D graphs, we could have a basic graph which has only got positive values on our x, y and z, because unlike a 2D graph which we're only dealing with x and y, on a 3D graph, we're dealing with X, Y, and Z. We could have an octant graph, which has got built up of 8 sections with positive and negative values for our X, Y, and our Z. So we've got our X, which is going to be the horizontal line. We've got our Y, which is perpendicular at a 90-degree angle to our x-axis on both of these, and we've got our Z, which is perpendicular to both x and y. So what we're actually doing when we're dealing with 3D graphs, we are almost plotting a point in a 3D space, so we're plotting it in mid-air. Like I said, dealing with octants, which are our 3D graph here is split into, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th one is in this back corner here. Dealing with our coordinates, Cartesian coordinates, they look like this. So our x number will go first, our y number second, our z number third. So for instance, I've gone for 4, 0, 1. So along the x, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to go up by any because my y value is 0, but I'm going to go along the z coordinates by 1. So just stepping from here and going across by 1. We've got our center, our origin, which is 0, 0, 0, just like we've got with 2D graphs. And we can plot points on our 3D graph. So here I'm going to plot 2, 3, 2. So if I go along my x-axis by 2, I'm going to go up my y-axis by 3. So 1, 2, 3 up to here. And I'm going to go across my z-axis by 2. 1, 2. So my point that I'm actually going to be plotting is actually just showing this using the box, just a 3D box, just so you can get a rough idea of exactly where the point will be in midair. This is the point I would actually be making. So this is 1, 2 away from my x-axis. It's 1, 2, 3 away from my 0 on my y-axis, and it's 2 going down my z-axis. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.